Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all must be fit and fine and your preparation must be going good. So, today I'm going to tell you the exam date, which is the breaking news for all the MNS aspirants of 2021. So, without wasting any time, I would like to tell you the date. So basically, your exam is going to be held in the month of April. Although the particular date has not been released yet, but according to official notice, your exam is going to be held in April 2021. And this you all know that the exam is of 150 marks, 50 for GK, 50 for English and 50 for science. And now the students of which age to which age can apply this exam. So basically, students from 1 October of 1996 to 30 September of 2004 can apply this exam. And you know that what are the requirements for this exam, that a student must be of medical stream, must have passed 12th with at least 50% in its academics. So a person who is falling in the age between 30 September 2004 is eligible according to age. But if a person is in 11th but she will not be able to give this exam, she is not eligible for this year because 12th is compulsory for this exam. You must have passed +2 qualification. So this was all about your date and the age, and other these things or your particulars are mentioned in the PDF which I'll send you in the Telegram group. And whenever the official notice for the particular date of exam will be released, I'll for sure inform you. And up to that, be prepared because exam is near, and you know that from 17 your forms are going to be released, so that you can fill on the online site, that is www.indianarmynic.in, so you can fill the forms. Thank you. Jai Hind.